What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of JRE Racing. And today we're at Brook Speedway. We're going to be racing Light 160 and Senior Animal today, and in preparation for next week's Titan race, which will be here. So that's why we came here. This track is close enough to where I live. We come here and race before the Titan race. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. If you're wondering why there wasn't a video last weekend, that's because none of the quarter-midget tracks, at least none of them by me, had any races going on. My home track was closed down, and all the other ones were for Memorial Day. So yeah, I was kind of bored last week, had nothing to do. It's been a kind of a tough week in racing, as most of you guys probably know. We lost the great Kyle Busch, I think it was 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago. So yeah, I remember when as a little kid watching him on TV. Man, I still can't believe he's gone. It's crazy. But we're here racing today. I'm sure, which is probably what he'd want us to do. So yeah, looking forward to a fun day here. I like this track quite a bit. Last time I came here, which was the last race I ran last year, I finished third place, which is pretty dang good. So hopefully we can continue, keep that up today. We've been doing pretty good this season, actually, in Light 160 and Senior Animal. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys probably after the drivers' meeting. Oh, and I almost forgot. I'd like to thank all of our sponsors. I'd like to thank Muddy Waters restaurant located in Asbury, New Jersey, in Hunterdon County. I'd like to thank them for sponsoring us. It's a great restaurant. Food is awesome, unbelievable. They have live music some nights. Every Thursday, if there's any musicians out there, every Thursday is open mic night, so you can just show up with your equipment and you can perform. I've done that before. It's a ton of fun. People who work there are super nice. It's a great place to hang out, you know. It's right off of Route 78. And yeah, it's just a great place. They have great food, and it's awesome there. I love it going there every single time. So thanks to Muddy Waters for sponsoring us. And I'd also like to thank Sun King at Grace Bay for sponsoring us. It's a beautiful condo located in Turks and Caicos at the Grace Bay. Well, it's like 5 minutes away from the famous Grace Bay Beach in Turks and Caicos. It's owned by my parents. So if you want to help me live my dream in racing, stay a couple nights there. And you'll have a great time doing there's tons of restaurants there. There's tons of activities to do. You can go on the beach. You could do water sports. You can go fishing, parasailing. There's like millions of stuff there to do. It's unbelievable. It's great there. I love going there a lot. And the Grace Bay Beach is awesome. Like, the water is like crystal clear. It almost doesn't look real when you go there. So yeah, that's a way you can help me in racing. Stay a couple nights there. That helps us out a ton. So yeah, and I'd also like to thank the Elite Edge Studio Barbershop in Edgewater, New Jersey, for sponsoring us. It's a great barbershop, just opened. It's brand new. It's super popular in the area. It's been getting quite a lot of business. They do a great job there cutting your hair, and it's awesome there. As you can see, we have I don't know when we put this sticker on. If it was last week or the week before. Well, we weren't racing last week, but we were at Thompson. We got the Elite Edge Studio sticker right there. So yeah, thanks to them. And I also like to thank Team Amsoil for picking me to be a member of Team Amsoil. Amsoil is great. It's the best motor oil out there. We use Amsoil on both our cars. Works great. It's just unbelievable. It destroys the competition. They also have like motorcycle oil, boat oil. They have all kinds of stuff. I use Amsoil on my dirt bike a lot. Works great. And yeah, I like to thank you, Team Amsoil. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the sponsors. And I guess I'll see you guys once right after the drivers' meeting, probably. All right, guys, so that was the Light 160 heat race. It went pretty good. The first half of the race, it seemed like the two cars in front of me were really loose, and I think one of them, when they tried to pass the other one, he like got loose and got into him, and then that caused like a big checkup, and then I slammed into the back of the guy in front of me, and that actually pushed my car like up on the wheel. So yeah, and then right after that, I was able to get by them. And then it was pretty much smooth sailing for the rest of the race. The car was really getting up on its two wheels, and coming off of, I think it's turn 4. Yeah, turn 4. It was really getting up off the wheels. Felt like I was flying an airplane. Felt like it wanted to take off and go to Turks and Caicos and stay at the Sun King at Grace Bay. But yeah, it was a lot of fun though. I kind of enjoy the car being up like that. It's fun. So yeah, we're gonna get the senior animal car ready, and we'll see you guys then once we get racing for senior animal. Alright guys, so that was the senior animal heat race. I mean, the car wasn't handling too well, and then I also felt like there was kind of a problem with the throttle. For some reason, whenever I press it, it'd like stay like at half throttle for like a second, then it would go down to full. But yeah, the car wasn't handling too well. I mean, we have it set up for their home track, so we don't really know what's set up for here, especially with that car, because that's a brand new car. But yeah, we tried to pass that one person, but they got by us when I was coming out the turn. I think if I had a couple more laps, probably would have passed that person, but fortunately that did not happen. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys once we get to the Light 160 A main. Alright guys, so that was the Light 160 race. I don't even know where to start on that. That race was a race, let me tell you. That was a pretty tough race. In the beginning of the race, there was a car flipped over somehow. I saw that. I was driving, coming off a turn, then I just saw the car go flipping over. So yeah, that happened. But yeah, it was a lot of passing in that race. I don't even know who finished where I finished, and I'm exhausted. But yeah, I kept on passing people, and then they'd freight train me, and then I'd pass them again, and freight train me again. That was a crazy race, let me tell you. But yeah, we're gonna get ready for a senior animal right now, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys once we're racing in senior animal. Alright guys, so that was the senior animal A-main. As you saw, I freaking flipped over. That sucks. We were doing pretty decent in the race. We were up to like 3rd place, and then I saw like these guys. I was like on the outside of a guy, I think, as he was passing me, and then he just like down, and I started wrecking, and I got squeezed into the wall, and I just flipped upside down. I mean, take a look at this crap. Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. Oh yeah, I'm really pissed off at this more than anything. It feels kind of weird to flip. For those who don't know, you kind of have to go through it to believe, to get the full understanding. I mean, I try the best. It feels like, you know, when you're in an airplane and you're just banking left. It's kind of like that, except it's like super fast and you're getting knocked, thrown all over the place. I think I hit my head on the dang racetrack. Yeah. And then, yeah, it just feels super weird. Like, I remember, like, just, like, that feeling of, like, going down like that. And me getting, like, banged around in the car. And I felt my head actually hit the track. Like, it hit pretty dang hard. And then it just got, like, all kind of dark. And then it just kind of rolled over on its side. And then you feel you're, like, hanging on your belts at the end. It's just a super weird feeling. It almost doesn't feel real in the moment. It kind of feels like a dream, like some sort of crazy dream you're having. And then once you're like up, like on your side, you realize, well, this is real life. So that's my best explanation for you guys who don't know what that feels like. Yeah, I'm just freaking pissed off. This car's been so good to us, and it's a shame it's ended up like this. The guys at Bull Rider built a great race car. We have a lot of work to do this week. Have a lot of dang work to do this week. So, yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. I'd like to thank my sponsors, Muddy Waters, Sun King of Grace Bay, Team Amsoil, and Elite Edge Studio Barbershop. And I'll see you guys in the next one.